Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about the importance of trusting the process in achieving your goals. We all have dreams and aspirations, but sometimes it can feel like we are not making any progress. That's where trusting the process comes in. It's about having faith that everything you are doing is leading you towards your goals, even if you can't see it right now. Think about it like planting a seed. You water it, give it sunlight, and wait for it to grow. You trust that with time and care, it will blossom into something beautiful. The same goes for your goals. Every step you take, every setback you face, it all is all part of the process, and that will ultimately lead you to success. So, if you're feeling discouraged or impatient, remember to trust the process. Keep putting in the effort, stay positive, and have faith that everything will work out in the end. Trust me, it will be worth it. Thanks for watching, and remember to trust the process.